Nixol Capsules review: scam or legit? In the world of health supplements, new products emerge constantly, each claiming to improve well-being in unique ways. One such product is Nixol Capsules, marketed as a natural supplement designed to enhance energy, improve metabolism, and support overall health. But with so many questionable supplements online, the key question is, are Nixol Capsules a scam or legit? What are Nixol Capsules? They are promoted as a natural plant-based dietary supplement, often claiming benefits like increased energy, improved digestion, and enhanced immunity. They are typically sold through third-party online platforms or promotional websites, often accompanied by both health claims and limited-time offers. Ingredients and scientific backing. The legitimacy of any supplement largely depends on its ingredients and scientific support. Unfortunately, many websites selling Nixol Capsules provide vague or incomplete ingredients list. Without clear information on what's inside and in what quantities, it's difficult to evaluate the product's safety or effectiveness. Moreover, there appears to be little to no peer-reviewed research backing the scientific formula used in Nixol Capsules. Customer reviews and concerns. Customer feedback is mixed. Some users claim mild benefits such as slight energy boost, while many others report no noticeable effect. More concerning are complaints about auto-billing, difficulty canceling subscriptions, and unresponsive customer service. All common signs of questionable supplement marketing tactics. Final verdict: Nixol Capsules appear to be a highly questionable product, if not an outright scam. The lack of ingredients, transparency, clinical evidence, and reliable customer support raises serious red flags. While it may not be harmful for everyone, there is little reason to believe the product delivers on its promises. In conclusion, Nixol Capsules should be approached with caution. Consumers are better off choosing well-reviewed supplements from trusted brands with clear labeling and scientific support. When it comes to your health, skepticism is your best defense. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.